Good morning. We are doing a demo video on protective welding spray and paste at a body shop in Truro, Nova Scotia. And here to do the demo is Patriquin, and the film is done by Neil Murphy, extraordinaire. Anyways, the item number is 8927401. That is for the protective welding spray, and 8937402 for the welding paste. It is in your catalog right there. Anyways, let's get to it.
Okay, we need to get the torch fired up.
Big tip on it with a big torch? Smaller one.
Smaller one.
Essentially what we're doing is just testing the product and show you how it works.
Spray down
as you can see,
around it.
We're testing the heat transfer from the bolt and a couple other materials.
Keep this up red hot.
Hopefully we don't burn the playbook. As you can see, Rod's still holding on to that bolt while the end of that, which is hard to see, but the end of that bolt is red hot. Look at that.
You want to try it?
That bolt should be piping hot, but it's not because the heat is not transferring to the end of the bolt. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, so that's on our grade 8 bolt, I believe.
That's a grade 8 bolt. Now we're going to try it on a piece of rubber.
That's some great technique, Rod.
Okay, got that.
Rod and I are in Team A6 and AK7 in Nova Scotia.
Wipe it off. When you wipe it off, it'll transfer pretty quickly. Okay. Heat up just along there.
So once they remove the paste from the bolt, the rest of the bolt heated up right to the end. Over there on the floor. So material number 2, we're going to heat this item here.
Just down past it a little bit.
So right to the right of that paste, that's rubber material.
Alright, so
As you can see on that, the material's not burning. That's a piece of rubber onto a metal pipe.
let it cool a bit before I wipe it off, because it'll probably catch on fire.
So Rob's wiping off that paste, and you'll see the heat prevented it from going onto the rubber on that pipe. That is pretty slick.
Now,
that's item number 2.
this goes on, that's hot. This goes on as a, that was on like a stream before, right? So this goes on as a spray?
As a surface spray. So that was the paste you used the first time.
The paste would probably be better for this, but just go over that with the torch. You know, go over the part that I didn't cover. Is this going to catch on fire, do you suppose? Or?
We're going to find out.
Catches probably not. Probably.
So we're going to heat up this painted surface that's got the protective spray on it.
This is fiberglass, right?
It is fiberglass.
You want me to heat it where? Just where you use spray? Yeah.
Look at that.
Just up here where I have it.
So look at the damage difference where he's putting the heat to the painted surface. Look at that.
Starting to blister there.
So he's going to wipe that off.
Didn't blister the paint at all.
No blister in that paint.
And this, and this is the gel that I use, but the paste.
Paste is for a thicker application.
It just goes on, will go on thicker. This withstands up to 7,500 degrees. I don't know what that torch would be right now, but it's pretty hot.
And the spray is the same.
Spray's not as high a temperature as this, but it's about 4,000.
So depending on the surface you want to use and what you want to apply.
That there's still touch that up there, yeah. I didn't heat that very much. Touch down there. It's not even warm.
Amazing.
Huh? I touch that up there really good.
They are amazed.
So this was fiberglass and not metal, and didn't melt it.
So we've done fiberglass, rubber, metal,
Yep.
and it resisted the heat on all 3 applications.
I'm not doing it on my hand.
Probably not a good idea. So
It's not.
great product.
It's non-corrosive. It's non-corrosive. It's non-toxic. It's biodegradable. I mean, that's just what it looks like, and doesn't do you any harm.
Excellent. Once again, that is Protective Welding Paste and Protective Welding Spray, 892.7401, 893.7402. Excellent work, Rod.
Body shop class number 101.
Thanks, fellas, at the shop. Been great help, and let's have a great day.